In one of your most recent tweets, you write, "We are now living in the dark ages. Nazi Germany era law of kin punishment being practiced against PTI, the party you founded in 1996. You go on, in other countries where this barbaric law was imposed, totalitarian states like Stalin's Russia, North Korea and China during the Cultural Revolution. Is what's happening in Pakistan akin to like the Cultural Revolution or North Korea, Mr. Khan?"
It's unprecedented, the crackdown that has been enforced on my political party is just unprecedented. 10,000 of my workers have been put inside, and as we speak, anyone who's a sympathizer or a worker, they break into their houses and they pick them up. But worse, and most of my leadership who's not in prison, or my office bearers who are not in prison, are hiding. So when they don't find them in their houses, they go and grab their relatives. Women, I mean, never have women been, there's a respect for women in our country, but never have they been treated like this. So the women, sisters are sort of harassed. Their husbands, the in-laws are picked up. It's so draconian. I mean, it really is. We are back to, as I say, the dark ages where we only used to hear these things in Nazi Germany, and where you have collective punishment, where one family member is missing, they would just then pick up the whole family. But this is what's happening here.